Well, hello there, everyone. I'm so glad that you're joining me today. I have the best little appetizer for you. I am making ham and cheese puffs. These are delicious. They're super easy to make. So hang with me because it's that time to get cooking. All right, so when I say these are easy, they are easy. You're going to be using the Pepperidge Farms puff pastry sheets, ham, cheese, and a little bit of honey mustard. But that's optional. You don't have to use the mustard if you don't want to. You could just use mayonnaise. It's up to you. All right, so I laid out one of the sheets of puff pastry, and I'm just going to just roll it out just a little bit. And then this is the optional part. I'm going to add some honey mustard. I'm just going to spread this out. But you could use mayonnaise, really anything you want. Even ranch dressing would be good. All right, so I have two different kinds of cheese here. I've got this cheddar and gruyere cheese and some Swiss cheese. I'm going to do a little combination of them. All right, and then I have some honey ham. All right, and then I'm just going to take this and roll it up. And I'm going to try to roll it as tight as I can. And I'm going to kind of try to pinch the seams just a little bit. All right, then I'm just going to make some slices. All right, then bake in a 400-degree oven for around 12 to 15 minutes. Oh, just look at these. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. All right, so that is all there is to it. And just look at these. Oh, cheesy ham and a puff pastry. Oh my goodness. That puff pastry is buttery, crisp. Oh, this is delicious, guys. Well, I hope that you give these a try. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.